Okay, this street is Rua de Londres, Rua de London. So we're gonna just kind of walk down, and I kind of want to focus on some of these bars here. These are basically, I'll explain it all in a minute. Come on back. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yep, here we are at Rua de Londres. Maybe you've seen some of my other videos where I had this this park was the focus of it, and then Guanyin, the statue down there, like it's a Chinese goddess. But this whole one's really about Rua de Londres, and the focus here is because there's a bunch of bars here. So here's one called A1 Karaoke. So this one is just kind of give you a little bit of idea. So basically you can buy different alcohols and do karaoke, so you can see the price. So I guess this is champagne. Anyways, you buy tables. Well, you can see what the structure is all about. And let's just kind of go back here as well. So basically, you can get a room as well. So there's 100 an hour, which is about 12 American dollars maybe for 1 hour. It's 80 mop is $1. So you can get party. So basically you can get all kinds of stuff. Anyways, so this is called A1, and we're just gonna follow kind of a handful of these clubs that are on this street, and it's a Sunday afternoon right now, so you won't be able to actually see them. I mean, you won't be able to go inside of them, but when you do go inside, there's basically no windows. But I think this one might be open right now. Looks like they're doing some repair there, so we'll just kind of see what it's all about. Yeah, it looks like this is all construction. Huh. Okay, well, you can kind of see them. But yeah, basically there's like tables and chairs, and you can go upstairs. Looks like they're doing a little bit of repairing today. And there's more. You can see all the... Huh. Here's another one. This is called Baisho Bar, Fast Club. So this one is under construction as well. There's a sign. Oh, okay. Let's just keep on going. Here's one, Club Rucas with Hennessy. So basically you can see there's a bunch of clubs in this area. Over there is kind of more restaurants, so apartments. But actually these ones, they're there's not really windows, so it seems like there's a lot of security. It's kind of interesting. This kind of has a stairwell that goes up, which is a lot like this one straight across. So yeah, I don't know. Okay. So we'll keep on exploring. We'll see some more stuff. It's like more like a little warehouse. Here it is. Comida Mengchi. That's more of a restaurant. Let's see, this is real estate. Seafood trading, okay. You can see all the seafood. Like that. Trading. I don't know how they do that. Maybe the restaurants come over and buy it fresh from there, I guess. They must buy it from the fishermen, so I guess it's like a little... That's such an interesting place. Let's just kind of check that out again. Tang Star Seafood Trading, and it's basically a bunch of aquariums with food in it. So yeah, they must just sell it to restaurants. Okay, let's see what else is around here. We're gonna keep on walking down Rua de Londres. Check it all out. Eyeglasses. Any more bars? Maybe there's no more bars. But yeah, that little handful of bars, it's like basically when you walk in, it's kind of a smoky environment, and that's quite popular. It's very popular with the Chinese in particular. You don't really see that many Westerners that go there. We're just gonna stroll around the corner. I think we might just go around the block and just kind of see what else is around here and the whole thing. Japanese one. Black and white. This is kind of a a chain one. Got really cool stuff usually. Salad and fruit. Okay, what else we got? Yeah, we'll just follow the block. So Rua de Londres. The next one is I think it's either Rua de Brussels, maybe. Samurai fish. Another Japanese restaurant. A lot of Japanese restaurants in Macau. Let me see what this one is. Oh, this one looks like it's like a, what do they call it? Pot dish, something like that. And okay. So we'll just follow this one down. You see, there's mostly restaurants and more restaurants here too. So basically we have a lot of restaurants around, and then you can see all the apartments are kind of up above, right? And of course there's parking around here. Let's just see, so we'll just basically go around the whole block. What street is this one? Okay. This is another restaurant. Okay. So we'll keep on going. This one looks like they sell beds. This one has pork chop bun, black and white milk, coffee. It's kind of a milky, definitely something that a lot of people in Macau eat. Huh. This is kind of interesting because I'm on, when I was on the other side, maybe you remember this, but there's like little stairwells that go up, and it goes up that way. And then this one is the same. So there's another one here, another stairwell thing that goes up to there. So it's like kind of a row of them. There's 1, 2, and then the next street has the same thing. I'm not sure why that is, but yeah, it's like a little string of like, I don't know, it's interesting. But then over here you just kind of have like the regular tall apartments outside of that one row of them. Let me just kind of go back a little bit. Yeah, all the apartments, it's weird. So for some reason there's like a little row of like 2 stories next to all these ones that are like 10, 12, 15 stories. This one's called the Jen Dim Sum. And you got lots of dim sum. Another fish restaurant. It's big. Yeah, basically everywhere in Asia you can basically look at the fish before you eat it. So it'll be in the aquariums and people can choose the one they like. Okay. So basically that was, and then there's a French one at the corner here. This is basically a chain one, so you can get it everywhere. Elish. Then this is called Rua de Roma. So let's just take a look here. So Rua de Roma right there. So then there's a French bakery with pizza. And then right next to it is raw fruit. This one's open usually in the weekdays, closed on the weekends, and it's a Sunday right now. So that one's closed. And then you got Daiso right here, which is kind of a Japanese place that you can buy mostly Japanese stuff, or kind of like dollar store kind of stuff. So let's walk out this way, and then we're gonna turn around, film. So there was Rua de Londres and Rua de Roma. We basically went around the block. So, all right, hope you like this one.